Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master's product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Oekanda puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Lucy Powells from Belgium and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Oekanda puzzle was made using two different types of wood, oak and babinga. The difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all pieces into the frame in such a way that when they are inside the frame, they don't fall out. At first glance, it looks impossible, since if you just put parts inside, doesn't matter how you put them for now, just to show you, you will find that when the parts are in and you decided to lift up the frame, all parts are dropping down. But there is a small opening on two sides of the frame, and it is big enough to fit one of the parts. And it looks like this long piece fits nicely, but it can be any other piece, since you can, for example, put this part inside and lock it in place like that, and use another piece that can go in the other opening. So there are multiple of options how you can hold the parts inside, and the actual solution will be when all parts are inside and they are held by some other parts that go through these openings, and in this case you will be able to lift the frame and the parts won't fall down. If you take a closer look at the parts, you will find that all 8 of them are completely different. They are unique, there are no similar parts, and they look kind of crazy, like all kinds of shapes here. And the frame has 2 large openings and 2 smaller openings, and you have to figure out the way how to put everything inside. If you are a long-time fan of Pelikan or Lucy Powells, you probably remember another puzzle from Lucy Powells that looks very similar. It is called Pin-Up Box. The idea was similar. You had to put parts inside the frame, then put the pin inside, and the pin was holding like all the parts inside the frame. Here it is a little bit different, but still a very fun and quite a difficult puzzle to solve. If you like the Oekanda puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.